some basic operation in Microsoft Excel. If you can see here, I have some data and I want to do some basic operation. Let's start it. I want to insert a column here, so just click on the third column, and now on the mouse you just click on the right button and go to insert option. Now we have a new column here. I want to write here full name. Now the next thing is here, I want to merge both cells of the data here that I can see the full name in the column C. So I will use the concatenate function. Concatenate function is basically to combine it combine cells data into one cell. So we'll go to formula. Now here let's go for the text and then concatenate. Click on the concatenate. Here in a formula builder, text 1, it says from where you want to take the data. I'm just selecting the S7. The next one, just click on the plus sign, and in text 2 just click on the last row. Okay, now you can see the result will look like this, but I want to space between the Asad and Rahuf, so you can just do something like this, like use the functions here and in the plus sign, then click on the row. Now here we have, sorry, I need to place here text 3. Now click on again. Now you can see here the space. Click on the done. Now you can see that like both of the cells data is being combined or joined. Now I want to copy this concatenate function to the others cells. So just take it from the bottom and just drag it down. Now here we are. So we're done with the concatenate function, and it's called, like when we were dragging the formula, it's called autofill feature. The next one is I want to add these data. So here just write total sale, and here I want to use the sum formula. There are two ways to sum up the values. The first one is like equal sign. Equal sign is used to start the formula in Microsoft Excel. Then I'm using sum bracket open and just select these data here. Okay, then now close the bracket and click enter. So these data are added now. The second method that I want to show it to you, in the formula bar here, you can see in the second position auto sum. Click on the auto sum, and the first position is sum. Click on the sum, automatically it will hold all figures here, and click enter. Now I don't need to like apply the formula again. Just use this auto sum feature. Click on the side and drag down. Here we are done. We are done now. Now the thing is here that like I want the maximum cells here, so we will use the maximum functions. Double click on this one so you can see the whole data clearly. Write max cell, max cell. Sorry, there is some spelling mistake. Max. Okay. Now here there are some mistakes. Let me remove it. Okay, then now let's why it's happening. Let me close this one. Write it again. Max cell, maximum cell. Come here. Now again you will go to the formula bar and click on the auto sum. Here you can find the maximum value. So the max function will just take that value that is maximum among you have selected. Click on the max, automatically it will hold all the data, and just enter. Now 82,000 is the maximum. Why? Because it also selected this one, but I don't want the total sale data. So let me change here G7. Okay, now click again. 26,000 is the maximum sales in the 4 months. Now just take from the right side corner and apply the the feature which is called autofill. Now we want the minimum cells, so write the min cell. Again, here you have to go to the sum option and you can choose the min. So click on the min, click enter. Without wasting time, we will use the autofill features. We're done now. Okay, great. Now I want to add a dollar signs to all figures. So select all the data and go to home. Here you can see some of the values here, but I need to find where is basically the dollar sign. Can you see here English, Euro, so more accounting formats, and I need to find the dollar signs. So journal, go to journal, currency, and use the dollar signs here. Yes, okay, it's dollar signs. US, click OK. Now you can see that dollar sign has applied. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel.